I'm Jim Grund, co-founder of Biz in 30. If you're in sales, if you run a business or own a business, this episode is for you. Today, we're diving into 4 key points: how to identify your A-list customers, your top-tier accounts, and why writing a key account plan is a must. How often should those plans be revised or updated? And who needs to be involved in the planning process? Next week, we're going to actually break down what a solid key account plan actually looks like. To kick things off, here's my fellow co-founder and partner in sales strategy, Mr. Jim Casper.
Thanks, Jimmy. Let's start by grouping together the terms key, major, A-level, and strategic under one umbrella: key accounts. A key account is a customer who, if you lose them, it will be a major loss for your business and your income. Also, it'd be very difficult to replace their sales volume. They have excellent credit and strong opportunity to grow with you. It's that simple, and they're readily identifiable. However, you should probably map out your forecasted annual sales by account for all accounts. Isolate those accounts which make up the top 20% of your total revenues.
Jimbo, keep in mind, not every customer in your top 20% will qualify as a true key account. Some may generate strong volume, but for various reasons, there's little room for growth. A key account isn't just about your current revenue. It's also about future potential. If a customer has hit a ceiling due to budget cuts, credit issues, or other limitations, they're still important, but they belong in your B-level account group.
Great point, Jimmy. So let's break down the 8 big benefits of key account planning. 1, it builds loyalty with key decision makers. 2, it positions you as part of the customer's decision-making process. 3, it shortens your sales cycle. 4, it creates a barrier for entry to your competitors. 5, it leads to more accurate sales forecasting, and who wouldn't want that? 6, it gives you a clear roadmap to meet or exceed your sales targets. 7, you make more money, unless, of course, you're in sales just for therapy. 8, it elevates the influence and credibility of your customers' decision makers and internal champions within their own organization. Remember, it's what's in it for them also.
Boy, that absolutely makes sense, Jimbo. This is some great stuff for our listeners. As we'll cover in next week's episode, key account planning is thorough, but it's not overwhelming. If you're serious about excelling in business or sales, and let's be honest, who isn't, this process is essential. The ideal time to build your key account plans or account maps is in November or December, once your customers have finalized their budgets for the coming year. While we recommend a mid-year check-in around July, it's not mandatory, but you need to check in with them before the end of the year. Top-performing sales pros and business owners review their plans against reality every month. Just remember, a plan is a guide, not a contract. You can, and you should, adjust as things evolve.
Right you are, Jimmy. A plan should be flexible and adaptable to customer changes. And we know there are going to be customer changes. But who should be included in the key customer planning and mapping process? Probably the most important people to include are your customer decision makers. Also, it'd be wise for you to identify the influencers in your key customers' organization and ask their input. Remember, you want customer influencers to be raving fans of yours. Always plan collaboratively with your customers' decision makers.
Boy, that's good information. To wrap things up, here's a quick recap of what we covered today. Number 1, how to identify your A top-tier accounts. Number 2, why it's important to create key account plans. Number 3, how often those plans should be reviewed and updated. And number 4, who should be involved in that planning process. Next week, we'll walk you through what a strong key account plan actually looks like and how to engage your customers' key players in building it. Thanks for joining us today. We truly appreciate your time. And until we see you next time, sell on.